father started in business in 1971. He was a home builder. Basically needed some material, so he decided in 75 that he would open his building material business up. In 75, I was 10 years old, started in the business, about 11 years old, doing all kinds of things around the yard. My father retired not quite 20 years ago. I took over the business about 21 years ago. We had a job site that we supplied material for. The home builder that bought the material had a subcontractor out there doing his framing, and when they were framing it, the job, they happened to have a ceiling joist, and the ceiling joist, two gentlemen were standing on, and it happened to break. When it broke, one guy catches himself on another ceiling joist, the other guy falls to the concrete floor, about 12 foot, and he hurts his back. Well, in doing that, of course, he gets medical attention and goes through, and ultimately the process comes down to he sues the guy that happened to almost fall with him, along with the builder that was building the home, along with us. Of course, we didn't make the wood, but they sued us along with the builder and the sub. Our insurance company was with us. We went through a mediation before this went to court and ultimately settled it. The builder wrote a check and we wrote a check. He was driven by an attorney. He sought counsel. Pretty common for individuals to go out and get legal counsel, and when they do, the attorney says, here's how we'll go about it. And we'll sue the guy you're working for, we'll sue the guy he was working for, sue the guy that supplied the material. We try to solve any problems we might have. For example, here at this location, we might have a forklift loading something on a truck. Well, it damages a truck. We just had this happen. We sent the customer to a local body shop. We wrote the check. We took care of the customer's problem. He didn't have a problem anymore. He's got a fixed truck. We as locals don't want anyone to understand that we don't take care of business properly. Frivolous lawsuits could impact somebody's business dramatically. If you had a frivolous lawsuit hit a company that's a startup company, it could put them out of business. If we had too many of these cases, it would impact us also in a way that might put us out of business. Business basically needs to stand up and be heard and hopefully overcome a good portion of these frivolous lawsuits.